Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to supercharge your digital security skills? Well, you're in luck. Today, we have an amazing opportunity brought to you by Skill India and Tech Mahindra. Completely free cybersecurity course that comes with a certification. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. In a game-changing move to enhance India's digital security, Skill India and Tech Mahindra have joined forces to offer this comprehensive cybersecurity course. And guess what? It's absolutely free and open to everyone, no matter your educational background or professional experience. This course is designed to give you an in-depth understanding of the cyber threats that India faces, with a spotlight on the financial and psychological impacts of these crimes. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone keen on staying safe online, this course is your ultimate guide. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The National Skills Development Mission of India, Skill India, is offering this free course crafted by the Tech Mahindra Foundation. It covers everything from safeguarding internet-connected devices and services against malicious attacks to understanding various cybercrimes like phishing, ransomware, identity theft, data breaches, and so much more. With robust cybersecurity measures, you'll learn how to protect personal information, secure online transactions, and maintain business operations smoothly. This isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's about empowering you to take proactive steps. Here's the lowdown on the course. Knowledge partner, Tech Mahindra Foundation. Age requirement, anyone can apply. Certification type, certificate of participation. Languages, English. Course duration, just 10 hours. Topics covered include Introduction to Cybersecurity, Digital and Online Banking, Frauds. Common types of cybercrimes, Prevention and Legalities of Cybercrime. And the best part, this course is completely free. No enrollment fees, no hidden charges, just pure valuable knowledge at your fingertips. So how do you sign up? It's a breeze. Just follow the link in the description to register and start your journey towards mastering cybersecurity. Remember, this is not just an opportunity to learn, but a chance to secure your digital future. But wait, there's more. Let's delve deeper into why this course is a must-take anyone concerned about their online security. Firstly, cybersecurity is not just a buzzword. It's an essential skill in our increasingly digital world. Cyber threats are on the rise, and they're becoming more sophisticated. This course will arm you with the knowledge and tools to stay ahead of these threats, ensuring your personal information remains safe and secure. You'll learn about the latest trends in cybercrime, including how hackers operate and the tactics they use to breach systems. Understanding these methods is the first step in defending against them. The course also covers real-world case studies, providing insights into how cyber attacks have affected businesses and individuals alike. These examples will help you grasp the gravity of cybersecurity and its impact on our daily life. Additionally, you'll gain practical skills in identifying and mitigating risks. This includes learning how to set up secure passwords, recognize phishing attempts, and safeguard your devices against malware. These are vital skills that everyone should have, whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner. For professionals, this course is a valuable asset to add to your resume. In today's job market, cybersecurity skills are highly sought after. By completing this course, you'll not only enhance your knowledge, also boost your career prospect. Employers are looking for individuals who can help protect their digital assets, and this certification will set you apart from the competition. Students, this course is a golden opportunity to dive into a field that is both exciting and essential. Cybersecurity offers a dynamic career path with plenty of room for growth and advancement. This foundational course could be your first step toward a rewarding career in one of the fastest-growing sectors in tech. Now let's talk about the ease of access. This course is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. You don't need any prior knowledge or technical background to get started. Content is presented in a clear and engaging manner, making it easy to follow along and absorb the information. The course is structured into manageable modules, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Whether you want to complete it in one sitting or spread it out over several days, flexibility is yours. Plus, With the certification of participation, you'll have tangible proof of your new skills and knowledge. So why wait? Take control of your digital security today. Click the link in the description to sign up for the Skill India and Tech Mahindra free cybersecurity course. It's a small step with a big impact, offering you the tools and knowledge to protect yourself in the digital age. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and educational content. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.